unboxing a nature box. It was, for this one, it was 5 bags for, I think it was $10, so it's 50% off, because normally it's 5 bags for $20. So I thought I would have my grandma do it with me. She's gonna have fun. It'll be fun to try them. Alright. Ooh. Okay, so blueberry nom noms. Yum. This is the bag. So we're gonna go ahead and give them a try. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm very excited.
With your tea? Ooh, they're soft.
Yeah.
And they smell really good.
Pretty good. Yeah.
These are supposed to be really healthy too, like everything in the nature box.
How many calories in one?
So, for 2 pieces, there's 150. So,
Okay.
is that 75?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
good.
like that.
They're good.
So the next one,
Whoa.
I didn't get the surprise one. I got the where I got to pick it. I don't remember doing that. Maybe I did. Okay, so peanut butter nom noms. Num nums. I don't know how to say it. What's those? It's basically the same.
Same as that peanut butter. You'll like them better.
Those blueberry ones are pretty good. And these ones are the same. Where for 2 pieces, they're 150.
I like blueberry better.
I think I do too, which is weird. I know.
Very weird. You always like peanut butter better.
It's like, I don't know.
It's got another flavor in there besides
Mhm.
just peanut butter.
Yeah, I mean, maybe it's the mini peanut butter oat cookie, so I don't know. It was okay though. I mean, it's not bad. Ooh, yum. Big Island pineapple. I've heard a lot of really good stuff about this one, so I'm super excited. They're pretty big though, and this one is for 4.5 rings. It's 120 calories. Not bad at all. But, oh, they're kind of all stuck together. Let's see if I can get this one unstuck. I think
Yeah,
that's
just break a piece off.
just break a piece off for you.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
I like them.
That's good.
I just got some dried pineapples at
Co-op.
yeah, the co-op, and these are a lot
This is
better.
good.
Yeah, these are a lot better. I think I just like the texture more.
They're dried but soft dried. Not a crisp.
Yeah, it tastes really sweet. Really good. This was going out of my comfort zone.
Oh, that would be good.
This one is spicy sriracha popcorn. My grandma's really excited, huh? Let's see. Ooh. We'll try it at the same time. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's
Actually-
not bad at all.
Yeah, I actually really like it. So for the whole bag, it's 190 calories. That's not bad. For the whole bag?
Because I don't think you'd eat that many when they're that hot.
Yeah, no. At least not me. Some people are really good at that. And then, oh, the last 2 are the same thing. I wanted to try the mac and cheese with veggies, so I got 2 of those. So those are things that we can't sample yet, but they look really good on the website. So what do you think overall?
That's pretty good. And you get a lot more than that one box that I got.
Oh, the Grace box, yeah. But you were paying what, $7? So it was like $6.99, I think, for 4 little things. But yeah, still, this was $10, and we got quite a bit. So
Quite a bit, yeah.
I really liked it. I think the blueberry and the pineapple,
Yeah,
blueberry
right.
nom noms and the pineapple were my favorite.
Yeah.
What about for you?
I think those two.
Yeah. All right.
The popcorn you can let your brother try because he loves that stuff.
It is good though,
Yeah,
even though it's
it's
not like
not bad.
normally what I would choose. I really liked it.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well,
Yeah.
thanks for joining me, Dan.